Hello, my name is Josephine and I am the ABA Program Chair overseeing the clinical quality of our social skills groups here at CSD. When it came to the Leadership Academy, I didn't know what to expect, but I thought it would be a really good opportunity to supplement my already existing supervision skill set as a BCBA. I think one of my favorite parts about the Leadership Academy was the role-playing activities, which really gave us a chance to dig in and really pick apart different aspects of being a leader. There was one moment that really struck me where one of our leaders opened up and disclosed some very personal details regarding an incident that had happened in the past and how that had helped them grow as a leader. And I think that vulnerability from someone very high up really helped the rest of us kind of open up and become more receptive to the feedback that was being provided. I think Leadership Academy is a great way for anyone that is looking for a way to expand their already existing skill sets, kind of branch out into new areas. It's not just about being able to lead, it's being able to lead yourself as well. And I think that is a very powerful takeaway that we can all really learn from.